Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all fine. Okay dears, what are all the three main needs of the day-to-day life? What are all the three main needs of the day-to-day life? Yeah, there are food, cloth and shelter. Oh yes dear, there are food, cloth and shelter. Okay dears, imagine if these three things are not, what will happen? What will happen? Yeah, we can't even imagine, no. You know something dears, there are so many people longing for the basic thing. But what we are doing? We are easily telling, I won't like this food mom, I won't like that food mom, so and so. Okay, so children, stop telling these kinds of food. Okay, stop telling these kinds of words. Enjoy eating even when it comes to the bitter gourd. Don't waste the food. Okay, take the correct quantity of food according to your need. Okay, so today we are going to learn about food. See the screen children, there are put the food into the dustbin. Is it good habit? Is it good habit? No. Okay, it is a bad habit. Okay dears, it is a bad habit. We don't waste the food. Okay, we don't waste the food. Okay dear, is it acceptable to waste the food? Is it acceptable to waste the food? Of course not. Okay children, is it children? So, of course not. So, when the food exceeds beyond your need level, you can offer to the needy before it gets spoiled so as much as possible. Okay, so try to avoid wasting food. Okay, we don't waste the food. Try to avoid wasting food. Okay dear, shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay, next you can see the picture of, okay, you can see the picture of help the needy. Help the needy. Okay, what is this? This is happy fridge. Okay, you know what is the concept behind the happy fridge? Okay. In some district of Tamil Nadu, they are following the concept called happy fridge. Okay children, in order to help the needy, so happy fridge is nothing but children, in particular area, people plan to keep one common fridge in roadside of food, except behind their usage, they can keep the excess thing in the common fridge. Okay, in order to help the needy. So, this concept is called the happy fridge concept. Happy fridge concept ensure everyone gets food to eat. Okay dears, everyone get food to eat. So, this happy fridge concept is also sharing concept dear. Okay, when we share to needy, actually we are indirectly carrying them. We are indirectly carrying them. Sharing is caring is a very good habit. Okay, sharing is caring. We are indirectly carrying them. Okay. Okay dears, next one is the respect and care for food. Okay, respect and care for food. Okay dears, listen, food is important for all living things on earth. Okay, food is important for all living things on earth. It helps them live healthily and supplies energy. Okay, it helps them live healthily and supplies energy. We should value food and ensure that we do not waste food unnecessarily. Here, some tips to prevent or reduce food wastages. Children, first step is take only the amount of food on your plate that you can finish. Okay, take only the amount of food on your plate that you can finish. The next step is Next tip is store food properly to keep it fresh as long as possible. Okay, store food properly to keep it fresh as long as possible. Then third tip is, if you do not want to eat, donate it to the needy. Do not let it go to the waste. Okay. Third tip is, if you do not want food to eat, donate it to the needy. Do not let it go to the waste. And last one is, food that is spoiled can be donated to nearby farmers so that it can be converted to fertilizing compost. So, fourth one is, food that is spoiled can be donated to the nearby farmer so that it can be converted to fertilizing compost. Okay dears, I hope everyone must follow these 4 tips. Okay. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay. The next one is 3.6 activity. Take a page number 42. Okay dear, the garbage truck is tired of people wasting food. Okay, the garbage truck is tired of people wasting food. Write 2 tips that it might give the boy to reduce food wastage. Okay children, one has been done for you. First one is donate food to the needy. Okay, first point is donate food to the needy. The next one is take your needed quantity stored properly. Take your needed quantity stored properly. Children, one has been done for you. You can think children what you can and write your point of view in your textbook. Okay, your point of view in your textbook. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Next one is the companion activity in your page number 9, 3C. Okay, it's for the project time. Okay, I think this is a very interesting topic. Let us take the I value food challenge. Conduct a food wastage check at home by observing the kind of food wastage happening around. Take the help of your family. Think of ways to reduce wastage in terms of grocery shopping, cooking habit and eating healthy. In teams, fill the food wastage log with your observation on a daily basis for a week. Your aim should be to reduce the wastage as the day go by. Good luck. Food wastage log, month, year. They schedule the tabular column, date, time, food product, amount disposed and reason for wastage. Okay, children, take this as a home task activity and complete it along with your parent help. Okay, dears. Okay, next one. Now we can recap the entire lesson. Shall we start now? Yeah. Okay, listen children. We have 2 types of food. Okay, we have two types of food. One is the healthy food and another one is the junk food. Okay, in the healthy food we have 3 kinds of food group. Okay, we have 3 kinds of food group. One is done for you, energy giving food. Already they have given energy giving food. The next one is the protection giving food. PROTECTION, protection giving foods. GIVING, protection giving foods. FOODS, foods, protection giving food. The first type is energy giving food and second type is the protection giving food and third type is the body building foods. BODY, body building. BUILDING, building foods. FOODS, foods, body building foods. Okay, from the healthy food we have 3 kinds of food group. One is the energy giving food, second one is the protection giving foods, and third one is the bodybuilding food. Okay. Give some example for the energy giving food. Okay, what are the example? Yeah, energy giving food. For 3 example, one is the milk, second one is the corn, third one is the bread. Okay, M-I-L-K, milk, corn, C-O-R-N, corn, bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay, dears. What you can add, you can write your point in your textbook. Okay. The next one is the protection giving food. Protection giving food examples are tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. The next one is a watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Next one is the carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, watermelon, tomato and carrot. If you can add any other your favorite dish, you can add it. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Third types of food. Third type of food is the bodybuilding foods. Okay. Bodybuilding food examples are fish, milk and meat. Okay, fish, milk and meat. You know very well about the meat, chicken, mutton, crab, like that. Okay, chicken. So, fish, milk and meat. Okay, children, I hope everyone understood this concept about the healthy food. We have 3 kinds of food. One is the energy giving food, second type group is the protection giving food, and third type is the bodybuilding food. Okay, energy giving food is the milk, corn, bread, and protection giving food is the tomato, watermelon and carrot, and third one is the bodybuilding food is the fish, milk and meat. Okay, next we are going to see about junk food. Okay, children, healthy food is a good habit and junk food is good for healthy? No, it is a very bad for our healthy. Okay, try to avoid eat junk food. What are the example for the junk food? Yeah, first one is a pizza and second one is a burger and third one is a soft drinks. You know about the soft drinks? Soft drinks is like that, the Maaza, Coca-Cola, then Slice, 7-Up, like that, and are called the soft drinks. Okay, we try to avoid drink soft drink. We can take it a fresh juice like apple juice, then watermelon juice, then orange juice, like that we can take that and all fruit juice, but we can avoid the soft drinks. Okay, so junk foods are pizza, burger, soft drinks and oil items. These and all the junk food. Okay, next we are going to see about the food wastage and how we can try to avoid the food wastage. One is done for you. Okay, so tips to prevent food wastage. Prepare your needed quantity. One has been done for you. Prepare your needed quantity. Prepare your needed quantity and donate food to the needy. Take your needed quantity, store properly. So you can add it whatever you want to write your point in your textbook, you can add it. Okay. So okay, children, I hope everyone enjoy this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, try to avoid junk food. Okay, dears, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Okay. So okay, thank you, children. Thank you.